I just pick up my camera and be like, let me have a chat with you guys today. Maybe I'll feel much better. I don't know. I'm just not really myself today. I don't know. It's just a bit like I was just nagging it all day today. It's just one of those. And I've took my multivitamins. I don't know. It just. I just feel like I just want to be on my own. Like, like when you feel like I just want to be on my own. I don't want any kids. I don't want any husband. I just want to like just have, I just need my own space for like at least for 1 hour. That's just the way I'm feeling today. Like, and I guess what, guys? I'm back to work tomorrow. Oh, God, have mercy on me. Oh my God, I'm not gonna lie. Go easy at all. I'm not gonna lie. So I've tried everything. I've tried to have my cup of tea. You all know I love my cup of tea, right? I've tried to have my cup of tea. I just think everything is just not the way I want. It's like everything is just not the way I want it to be today. Today is just one of those days where I think everything just tire me. Today is just one of the days that everything just tire me. I'm just in that mood. I don't know. I'm just a bit like, oh my God. My friend said, go and take your multivitamin. I have 2K. Nothing is happening. Oh my Lord. Like I'm so tired. I'm not even tired. I'm just fed up for no reason. I'm just, I don't know. And if you ask me what did I add enough of, I can't tell you. I don't even know. So that's why I decided to pick up my phone. But one thing I was thinking of, okay, because tomorrow we don't have any food. Because normally you all know that every Sunday I normally cook like a Sunday dinner for my kids. The way I'm feeling this Sunday, I just don't feel like doing anything. So the kids just had a bit of rice that I have at home today, and I've told them, because one thing about my kids, if they want to understand where I'm coming from, they will want to understand. If they don't want to understand, if you have children, you know what I mean. So because normally every Sunday because normally I work Monday and Tuesday. I try to work Monday and Tuesday because those are the days that really perfect for me. So because I did not do any cooking today, and now I'm thinking, what am I going to take to work? Because at least I still want to like take a little bit of, and I think because I don't really eat when I'm at work and I'm working, and I think I'm kind of losing a bit more weight, if that makes sense. And I'm a kind of person where I can lose weight just like that. Yeah, I don't gain weight just like that, but I can lose weight just like that. And I'm even thinking about my weight journey, where adding weight journey. I don't know if I should call it weight journey, because weight journey is for people that are losing weight, right? So if people don't want to gain weight journey, yeah. I'm thinking of doing that because I've been like this all my life. I am not a big person. I took that from my dad and my mom. Even my younger brother is way bigger than me. All my siblings are way bigger than me. I'm just the smallest in my family. I remember my mom used to say this story for me. My mom used to say that because I'm second to the last born. My mother used to say this like when she gave birth to me, and they gave me to her, and then she was looking at me thinking, are you sure this is my daughter? Are you sure this is my child? Because she looks so small, because my mom is not used to a small child. Like I look so tiny. So I've been like that. I've been like this all my life. I'm always a slim girl. I'm natural slim person that just God, that's how God created me. When I was younger, I don't like my weight. I always like, oh, I don't like to be slim. I don't like to be slim. But now that I'm getting older, I like the way I am. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. I love the way I am because even when I'm at work, when I tell people my age, they're like, "Oh my God, you don't look like you're like 22." I'm thinking 22. Okay. Even my younger brother is not 22. My younger brother is even on his middle 30s. Me, which 32. So I wish. I said, listen, I don't look like my age, but I think I do look like my age, though. I think I do, but if you don't know me, you will not know. You think I don't look like my age, but I think I do. So I was thinking of having like gain weight journey. People are saying that when you go to gym, like you know, you boost up your muscles, something like that. Maybe that's what I need, and then maybe because I'm not eating that much the right food. Because when you're a slim person, if you're not a big person and eat a lot of things, you're still not getting big. There's this thing that I can do, like I don't know how to say the name, like you probably have that is very, very high. That's the kind of thing that burn your food so quickly. And I think that's what I had. So there's some specific food that you need to be eating. Yeah, so anyway, I don't know. Anyway, so what I was saying before I started to talk about my weight journey, my gain weight journey. So I'm just not really happy. I'm happy, but I'm just not in the mood today. So I was thinking if I could just like think of ordering Chinese. My daughter is beside me. She did not know that I was going to say that. Now that I just mentioned Chinese, she shake her head like this, like, oh, she's gonna get Chinese. Yes. And it's for myself. So I was thinking of getting Chinese, and then what I really want for that Chinese, like I want, I really don't want their special fried rice. 'Cause, to me, I'm just getting fed up with their special fried rice, to be honest. But I have no choice. Did I have any choice? I don't. I don't know if that would make me feel better. My husband said that he had bought me a Coke, but I don't want to drink that Coke alone. Maybe if I get some Chinese. I think it's the Coke that actually made me want to get a Chinese. So if I get a Chinese, if I get a Chinese, maybe that will work. I'll have Chinese with a nice Coke. Just I don't know, the way I'm feeling today just not good at all. Even though my kids know that mom is not really in a good mood. And then my autistic son, my other son, you just have to give him your energy. But he's got his iPad now, so he's a bit like just he doesn't care about me at this point at the moment. So yeah, so let me order the Chinese. I'll be right back. I'm gonna book it now.
Hello, Happy Chef.
Hi, can I place a order, please?
Collection or delivery?
Delivery.
What's your delivery address,
Oh, have you not got my address?
please?
Can I have chicken curry samosa?
We only do vegetable curry samosas or chicken curry spring roll.
Yeah, chicken curry spring roll. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. And can I have 2 special fried rice, no pork, spicy?
2 special fried rice dry.
Dry, yeah, no pork.
So 2 special fried rice dry, no pork.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then can I have chicken and sweet corn soup?
Yeah.
And can I have chicken wings, 1 portion?
What flavor? Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
Okay, or salt and pepper chicken wing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it.
So you order 1 curry chicken spring roll, 2 special fried rice dry, no pork.
Yeah.
1 chicken sweet corn soup, and 1 salt and pepper chicken wing.
Yeah.
Total 29.60, about 30 minutes.
24.9. What did you say?
No, 29.
39.50. All right then. Okay.
60, yeah.
Okay,
About 30
39.60.
minutes, yeah.
All right then. Okay. Thank you.
you.
Bye. That's a bit prices for 39.60. Is it because it's Saturday? That's a bit prices, is it? Because normally I don't spend that much if I buy. Because I know I just went for 2 portion of special fried rice and spring rolls and soup and chicken wings, and I'm spending 39.60. Did you just say 39.60 or 29.60? That's quite a lot if it's 39.60. That's like nearly £40. So let's just wait for the order to come. They said like 30. Did she just say 30 minutes or 20 minutes? I don't even know what she said anyway. I think she said like 20 minutes. The maximum is like 20 minutes or 10 minutes. So I'll come back to you guys. So I think my Chinese is here now. How much is it again?
9.60.
Right, that's £30. Then you give me
It's okay. Yeah, thank
you
you.
give me change, all right? Thank you. I'm just gonna sort out the kids one first before I even think about myself. Oh, it's so hot. This is the Chinese. So this is prawns, special fried rice with no pork and extra spicy. Hopefully you put spicy in there because I told her extra spicy, I think. Because sometimes if it's not spicy, it doesn't taste that nice, well, to me. They won't let me eat what the chicken. I just give him the chicken now.
He's going.
Where is he now? Where did he go? Open. Right, sit down. He won't let me eat. But at least I finished my rice. I'm not gonna lie, guys. TikTok is a bit entertaining. Like TikTok can be very, 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 very entertaining sometimes. And then when sometimes you just don't want to be on TikTok, like you just can't be bothered to be on TikTok. But it can be very, very entertaining. You know, in this UK, there's some group of people where I try not to watch them because it started to affect my mental health in a way. Where I would always say this to my friend, like, no, I don't even want to give them 1 second of my time because when you do that, TikTok will end up bringing more of it. Like, I'm this kind of person where I just post my video and I'm out. Like, I can't even say I have one friend that I talk to on TikTok, and I chose not that. Like, it's just very toxic, like very, very toxic, which I know YouTube is not like that. YouTube is more like more chill, more laid back. People that want to talk to you, they will talk. People that want to be your friend will be your friend. At least like on YouTube, I have two people that I normally talk to on YouTube. Like we kind of like friends. We talk every day or we have each other's number. We talk every day. And I met them on YouTube. But on TikTok, you have to be very careful who you're chatting to on TikTok. Like, and I think TikTok is like everybody's advisor. TikTok has become like a therapist. And I'm thinking, therapist people now, I don't think they're even going to make any money. Because TikTok's become like a therapist now where everybody wants to give everybody advice. Anyway, look at me and I'm chatting. A bit happy now. I think because I had something. I don't know. I'm a bit happy now. So my son just finished eating now. Look at my sofa. Guys, look at everywhere. Jesus Christ. I just want to eat and just relax. Look at my whole floor. Look, him. I put his food on the table here. He took that food and left it on the sofa, and he's finished eating and he left everything. Now I have to start doing all this cleaning because it's nearly their bedtime now. This is a life as autism mom. It is hard. My food have not even gone down yet.